Hey guys, appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch one of the videos, and welcome back to the channel. Last week we did the grand shed. What today's video is about is kind of a DIY, or how to put silver or gold leaf using a completely different pattern I haven't ever shown before. Big thumbs up to Lure Blanks for shipping me the product out really quick. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's get to it. Okay, so for this we're going to be putting some metal leaf glue. And we're just going to paint a lot of these little scales. Where the metal leaf paper is going to stick. And we're just going to use some random areas. And I haven't done this with scales before, so we'll just see how that goes. Or how that looks at the end. What I'm going to try to do is get them to show up at the top of this bait, or wherever I've applied it. Let's see how this works. It may come out as what I'm hoping is that because these scales are raised, that some of this metal leafing, chrome effect, whatever you want to call it, will still show the dimensions of these scales. And it may not. It's the challenge that we have here. And we'll just put a few down here in some odd places, because that's the way real bait fish are, is occasionally they've got a few places where they're missing scales. And now what we got to do is we got to wait. I don't know if you can see that, but until that is completely dry, it is not ready. So we'll come back once that sheen's over and looks no longer wet. I think we're going to get a really nice effect. And what happens is this glue just maintains its tackiness, and this foil, you press it up against it, it sticks to only the areas where the glue was applied. So we'll put it all over that particular area, and then we'll come back, rip it off, and we'll see what we got. Hang on just a minute, we'll let it dry up. Okay. So I'm going to start at the back. And then you just rub. And then you remove. Check it out. You don't have to rub with one of these, but for little detailed areas, I like it. Now what I'm looking for is some of that shiny glue that may not have, I think I got a few areas down in here. And what it does is exactly what it shows here. Throws down some scales for you. We're going to come back to jointed baits are freaking difficult. Difficult. We got to get it done. I added a little rubber glove just so I could manage the bait a little better. Got a lot of scales that are highlighted. And brings a cool little look to your baits. Again, Lure Blanks online. I'll leave a link down below. Add a little bit of different realism to your baits. Chrome the entire lure. Wherever you paint it, whatever textures that you leave in that bait, it'll leave those same kind of looks. So appreciate you guys stopping in for a little bit and checking out the DIY. See you next week.